Yahoo! It's Mikan and welcome back to my channel and to another throwback from Japan, because 3 years ago at the exact same time, end of March, I was in Tokyo and I got so lucky to have snow and sakura together. It was magical. The Airbnb was pretty far away, but I went to Meiji Jingu to take photos and videos of that event.
The next station is Ochanomizu, JB18. I was freezing cold, my feet was all soaked and freezing. It was a nightmare, so I had to make a stop as soon as possible somewhere to warm up, and I found it really close. It was a souvenir shop of Meiji Jingu. But a few things and back on the road. I took a different train this time to Akihabara because later on we were meeting with some friends, and I got lucky. I got lucky on the road because I saw a beautiful sceneries, magical sakura, and I had to make a stop. So basically I saw that and I jumped off the train because I needed to take some more videos and pictures and all. It was so beautiful, I got so lucky, and it's one of my best memories of sakura. So let's appreciate cherry blossom together, shall we? Shall we?
お前はもう死んでいる。
My socks are all wet and it's so I was thinking about getting new socks at Uniqlo. There is a Uniqlo at the train station, but I just saw Daiso in front of me. But well, see, let's go to Daiso, find new socks, dry socks if I can, and if not I will take some from Uniqlo and take some pictures. Was there? So beautiful! I'm so happy to be in Japan.
I hope you enjoyed the series as much as I did, because once again it was one of my best memories of Sakura. So unexpected, but so happy about it. So now, as I said, back to Akihabara, we are going to a bunch of web stores to look up to goodies and figures and... Not in front of the camera! So yes, so just for a bunch of goodies and figures, and later on, back home, back to Tsukuba. I guess this video is literally 2 different places for 2 different atmospheres. Like one part with nature and Sakura, and one other to Tokyo, electronic, game, weeb, otaku. Yes! Hope you enjoyed it. Well, this video gonna be over soon, but I just wanted to show you quickly what I got. This Sakura Sake maker, something like that, with this face mask, with this face mask, this book marker, which is really beautiful. Yohane-chan for my brother. She's so cute, such an angel. And for my friend and me, because it was really cheap. And you have the receipt of that meal inside the notebook. So I really want to take a look at it, and maybe if I can make it myself on this channel. Looks like the ingredients are really expensive, but if I can make a cheap version, maybe let me know if you want it or not. And on it, see you on the next time. I hope you enjoyed this little poetic kind of vlog with me. Sakura with snow. Beautiful. And see you on my next video. Bye bye. Love ya.
楽しみにしてるぜ。